This here is the kids' living room. Okay, we've got our ceilings painted white. The section that has the tongue and groove here, that area was too low. But there is another video on how we raise the ceiling in here. These are 7-foot ceilings, so we put the ceiling on top just to kind of give it a different look and appear a little taller. So this is the kids' living room. This is one of the bedrooms. Same kind of ceiling, lights, everything. This flooring, there's one of our doors. This flooring we're hoping to strip down and refinish. We're excited about that. I'll take you through the turn your light on right there. Through this closet. This is my favorite thing in the house, probably. So we have this walk-through closet. I don't know what you really call it, but I like it.
To Isaiah's bedroom.
And then we go into Isaiah's bedroom.
And that room was Agus's and
Same type ceiling. This half of the house is all the low ceilings. Okay, so we have to replace some hardwood in here, and we'll get there.
Now I'm going to go to my room.
We forgot this closet, but we'll show you the closet right quick.
It's like just a short.
It's going to be, maybe you put a little pantry, or not a pantry, but a hamper in there out of the bathroom. We'll show you the bathroom in a minute, too.
Or we might make a secret room. This side?
Here's the breaker panel for this side. It's pretty much done. I've got maybe 2 more bigger breakers if I decide to put them in. I don't need them at this time. So
Now we're going to the bathroom.
going down the hallway, here is a bathroom. We still have to get paint and everything in here. There's nothing in here. So. Alright, we got Laura May's room. We got to get it. Tell us all about it, Laura May. Now she's on the spot. She can't talk. But we have the same type finish on the ceiling. Okay. She likes the pink. She's excited about the pink. There's her closet. I'm going to put a built-in shelf in that void space there. So.
Am I going to have a light?
Yeah, there's Isaiah. Okay, here's our little office area. Same ceiling type in here. We're going to case this out with some kind of, hopefully rough sawn, but I'm not 100% sure. So we got a nice wide opening there. Over here, we also have Laura May's bathroom. It's going to be a half bath. It's got to do everything. We still got to do everything in there still. Back to the great room, we'll call it. Dining room,
The big
kitchen,
room. The big pot, Dad.
living room here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got stuff scattered, but the ceiling, got it all done
The kitchen.
in this room. No trim, of course, but I'll show you this breaker here, box again. No, this is the second one. Okay, so it's pretty much done. All tagged and labeled. So then I'll take you to the
My daddy's room.
show the unit. I actually reinstalled those vents there. I'll show you up in the attic here in a second. What room is this, Laura May?
Mommy's and Daddy's.
Okay, so we still have the ceiling to go in here. Isaiah, stop that. There's the venting work. It took me pretty much all day, or half a day yesterday, to get that PVC all together.
I can't believe.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
And then Mom's closet.
She got
The big
the
walk-in.
biggest in the house.
Still needs a ceiling.
She got the biggest in the house.
And then our bath. Still got to put the Durock up and figure out what we're going to put on the wall.
Yeah.
So, and I have I've got a little water leak I need to fix before I do anything.
Yeah, we got this bathtub.
So this right here is leaking, so I'm going to take it out and put a swoop in there. So, anyway.
Oh, and Daddy's.
That's what we got, along with the kiddos. Oh, and my closet's behind those doors there.
Yeah.
So,
It's just hidden.
hope you enjoyed the tour. Stick around. One of these days I'll show you some more.
And goodbye.
As Isaiah likes to say.
Subscribe and like.
Later.